The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Missile attacks launched at manpower and military equipment concentration areas of the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kupyansk, Dvurechne and Kirillovka in Kharkov region at Kupyansk direction have resulted in the elimination of over 140 servicemen and 19 units of special military equipment. Over the past 72 hours, the enemy has lost more than 500 servicemen and about 60 units of military equipment at Kupyansk direction. Massive fire attack has been launched at the enemy reserve forces and units from the 66th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Slavyansk at Krasny Liman direction. The attack has resulted in the elimination of up to 100 servicemen, 6 units of armored equipment and 2 Grad MLRS combat vehicles. Over the past 72 hours, the units from the 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces have lost more than 900 servicemen at the above-mentioned direction. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,137 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,292 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 860 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,444 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,189 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.